protein skimmer essentially removes organic matter from water before it decays.
Organic matter that hasn't been removed from the tank turns into ammonia nitrate and nitrates.
Organic matter removed is made up of carbohydrates, fats, amino acids, and enzymes.
Skimming will reduce pheromones, which influences the fish's behavior. With high amounts of pheromones in the water, the pheromones will weaken the fish's immune system, making the more vulnerable to disease.
High levels of the organic matter, or dissolved organic compounds, or DOC, can lead to promotion of algae growth in your aquarium, which isn't good.
Waste particles are removed by the injection of air bubbles.
So basically the particles have one end that is attracted to air and the other end is attracted to the water. The particles will then attach themselves to the rising air bubbles. So basically the particles have one end that is attracted to the air and the other end that is attracted to the water. The particles will then attach themselves to the rising air bubbles.
So how it works is one end of the protein, which is like this, is hydrophobic, which means it prefers air over water. And the other half is hydrophilic, which means it will attach itself to water. So the phobic end will attach itself to the inside of the air bubble, and basically it becomes sort of this giant pincushion of air and, gross organic matter, and it just sort of gets coated until it becomes stable, and it floats up the water column into the collection cup.
And now we'll show you.
Okay, so here is the entire setup of the protein skimmer. Here's the actual protein skimmer itself, and this is where the water comes in to be skimmed. So basically, over here is where the bubbles are injected to get covered in the proteins. This is the body that it travels up into, and then this is the collection cup, where you can see a very lovely brown residue. That's all the DOCs that have been collected.
No one really wants to clean this. It's a bit gross.
Yeah, so that's
the protein skimmer. So this is the collection cup.
It's where all the DOCs and nasty particles come here. As you can see, the bubbles are where the protein gets collected. And so you can see we have a pretty steady stream of stuff coming up there. And then you see the brown stuff around the rim of it, and that's all the collected dead fish food and poop and stuff. So yeah. And today we'll be cleaning the collection cup of the protein skimmer. So what you do is you take one of these little scrubber things that has not gotten any soap put on it, because we don't want soap in the water of the tank, because that would be bad. It's for the fish. Okay, so you're going to take the water, and you're just going to run it over, and you're just going to use the thing to scrub it off. It comes off pretty, to scrub off all the dirt and stuff. It's pretty easy. It comes off really fast. You just got to keep the water running as you scrub. Top. It's as easy as that. So you take that and pop it over there. You just do the same thing pretty much with the larger bit. You get the outside, and then you can get the inside, or you can get the inside and do the outside. All that preference. It's not the most delicate thing, but that's done. So start out. If you want to get all the gross fish poop and whatnot out of the fish container, because you have that clean water for fish. So oops, I'm putting water all over myself. Okay. So now you have the clean protein skimmer collection. Subscribe this video
And hit that bell to join our fishy squad. Comment down below. Like. Bye.
Bye.
That was bad. Perfect blooper. Yep, blooper reel. Yes. Yes.